Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you today how I make my Guyanese green seasoning. I use it a lot in just about every dish that I make, and I know people who aren't familiar may be wondering what is green seasoning. It's listed there in my recipes, and I just feel like I should do a quick video to show you how it's made. It's a little bit of parsley, broadleaf thyme, fine leaf thyme, garlic, onion if that's your choice. I like to put a little bit of ginger in mine. So I will show you how I make this so you have an idea of what I'm putting in my food or what the ingredient is, and then you can just go click and find it and make yours. There's many variations to green seasoning because some people put basil, some don't. Some put broadleaf thyme, which is not always available to others. I always have it because I have a plant. But anyways, it varies a bit, but basically it's the same thing. It gives your food lovely flavor, and it's an easy alternative. Sometimes if you don't want to go chopping up everything to put on your food, you could just simply make this blend, keep it in your fridge, and when you're ready, you could just season up your chicken with it, and you don't have to go cut up onions and garlics and all of that to put it on your chicken. So I will show you how I make mine. Confession, I actually don't make because mine come all the way from Guyana. My mom sends me green seasoning ever so often, and when she doesn't, there's always somebody bringing in green seasoning. And when it comes from Guyana, it's like the best. However, I do know how to make it, and I will show you how you can too. Let's go. So I just want to show you where my plant is. You see, it's right there by the window, kissing the sun. I do have a little, this is what broadleaf thyme looks like. I have been nurturing this plant for a very long time. So yeah, so it's there and it's soaking in the sunlight because I refuse to put it outside. I'm afraid. I don't want it to die. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using. That's all I'm going to be putting in there. Probably a little bit of water. Now for me, green seasoning must have this. Must. I don't think it's green seasoning if I don't have this particular thyme in there. So for me, I need my green seasoning to have this. That's why I requested from Guyana, because you can't always find that. But now I have my plant. So I'm gonna wash everything up. I'm gonna give them a good wash because these things can be very dirty. Also, I want to show you something. So here, see, I have all the way from Guyana, Tanima thyme. I have green seasoning already. That's why I'm not making a lot in here. I have more. These come from Guyana. It always comes labeled. My mom would always label mine. So I really don't need this. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. So right here, I'm going to roughly chop. I'm either going to chop or tear my herbs a bit and put it into my food processor along with the onion and the garlic and pepper. Now you want to take the leaves of the fine leaf thyme off. You don't want to put the stems in and have that chunky, that hard piece in your green seasoning. So right here, that's what you want to do. Take the leaves off. Then you're gonna rip my, it's not necessary because it's a food processor and I'm sure it's gonna take care of all of that, but I like to rip it. Then you pulse it. Now I'm gonna add some salt here and a little bit of water. Now you could put as much water depending on how runny you want it to be. I like mine to have this kind of thick consistency like that. So put some water, put some salt, add more pepper to make it how hot you like, and that's green seasoning. Put it into an airtight container, a nice jar, and keep it in your fridge. And now you could season up your meat and stuff with it. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you use your own green seasoning. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!